experience this. I had to fix Henny's sore leg when she had a fall. Let's put a toy first aid kit together so you can have fun being the doctor for your toys. You will need a toy suitcase or a small box, white paper or card, red paper or card, scissors, glue, 20cm by 25cm piece of cotton gauze, 2 25cm long pieces of elastic, safety pins, a sewing needle and thread, a notebook or notepad, a pencil or pen, bandages, popsicle sticks, band-aids, plastic syringe, plastic tweezers, cotton buds, cotton balls, and an empty vitamin container. The first step is to create a medical cross for your kit by carefully cutting out a circle from your white paper and a cross from your red paper. Glue them together and then stick them onto the front of your kit. Then, to make your medical mask, fold your gauze in half and sew along the long, open side. Next, turn your mask inside out and press down firmly to flatten. Now fold the open sides of the gauze over twice and press down firmly, stitching to hold in place. Next, repeat on the other side. Then, fasten your safety pin to the end of each elastic piece and thread each end through the side tubes. Finally, fill your medical kit with supplies. We would love to see your creations.